So hello guys, I am K Vikramaditya Reddy. So I am here to reach you out people sharing my success story of GATE EC 2021. So I have been writing GATE for 3 times till now, and in 2019 I actually got around 1567 rank and I joined MTech at NIT Warangal, and while studying there I have actually written second time once again where I scored only 51.33, but for the GATE EC 2021 I actually stayed at home and was preparing for the project, and in the meanwhile I was preparing for GATE, and I have secured a rank of 115 with marks of 57.67 and a GATE score of 817. And coming to my success story, there isn't any such thing like success, like if you set some goals and reach it, you will have some other goal in your life. So I feel the same, and I have actually been planning to write for government jobs like DRDO, BARC and ISRO. I'm actually preparing for that. And coming to this preparation strategies, so I have actually been studying for 6 to 8 hours a day. So roughly you can estimate that from 9 to 12 in the morning and 2 to 5 in the evening. So in that time I usually used to study about ACE and like the tests whichever I have given and their explanations, what I have attempted and which questions went wrong, and I actually use it to practice some things like I actually used to learn concepts from my GATE notes, that is by ACE. So I have actually read them, and in the last year, like this 2020 to 2021, I have been extensively using this GradeUp app so that I will have better practice on the questions. I have seen numerous number of questions in GradeUp, like daily quizzes, mock tests and some extra quizzes which are actually free of cost, and you can actually attempt them. A rank will be shown to you. So it's all a great thing like GradeUp is providing us. So that's the strategy, and some people will say that you will get time waste because of watching some entertainment videos. There is nothing like that. Actually I was watching YouTube videos for around 2 to 3 hours a day, because mind also needs relaxation for the upcoming day to go get succeeded. So I believe in that, and if you're thorough in concepts, then even if you study for 3 to 4 hours a day, you can crack GATE easily. And what were the challenges you faced during the preparation journey? Challenges I faced were, actually I was having this project work and all for the MTech studies, so I was parallelly preparing, like doing project work and also being prepared for this GATE 2021. I actually used it to write some short notes for my preparation, like for control systems, let it be signals, networks, digital circuits, EDC and analog, all the 8 different categories I have actually written down the notes, and it is important for each and every individual to write their own short notes, so that they will be getting familiar with the concepts very well. And how did GradeUp help you in this preparation? GradeUp actually helped me in solving many of the quizzes which I haven't ever seen with any other app or any other test series. So I have been writing daily quizzes every day, and people use it to like share their views, and if at all they had any doubts, they use it to get clarified. And also there are actually many free videos which are available at GradeUp, so you can actually check them out and have a trial. And I have actually used the GradeUp test series to enhance my skills and get a good rank. So what was your strategy in the last 1 month before GATE exam? So I believe like you should actually do more questions rather than studying in the last 1 month of GATE exam. So why I am saying like this, because you will be getting some new questions in the GATE exam which you have not ever seen them, like they will be the new model. Then it becomes difficult for people like to cope up with the questions and answer them. So I feel you should have better practice of the questions, and so I recommend you to practice more and more test series in the first 15 days of the one month, and in the last 15 days you can actually have a look at your whatever the coaching like material which you have GATE notes is, and in the last final week you should just concentrate on GATE short notes and GATE notes and all that kind of stuff. And at the last one day, be cool, try not to prepare more, keep your mind relaxed, and so that you can achieve good GATE rank in the next day, that is. So finally my all India rank is 115 in GATE ECE 2021, and with marks of 57.67 and a GATE score of 817 out of 1000. So I feel very great about this, because this is my third attempt in GATE, and I am actually finding some opportunities in PSUs and government jobs, writing them and cracking them. So that's it guys. So keep up with your work, and do not take any breaks in between in your life. So thank you.